Hey everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to give you on-base review on the website that is beachmind.com. So if you are curious to know about this website, watch the video till then because it will be on-base review from our side. Beachmind is a newly launched portal that deals in a wide range of golf stake, aluminium stakes, chicken house, greenhouse, wooden cabinets and card bags. Like customers are very curious to know about the authenticity of this portal, so let's check out the specification of this website. It is HTTPS secured website. It was created on 27th July 2021. The email address which they have mentioned is not matching the domain name. It is not a good sign. They have mentioned the contact number on their official border, but they have not mentioned any local address of the company. The payment method which they are accepting are Visa card, MasterCard, Discover and PayPal. The company does not maintain any social media handle. No details about the shipping policy are available on the particular page. Buyers can check the frequent asked questions where the company mentioned that it is 5 to 10 business days to ship the goods. It took 20 days for international shipping. You can return the product within 30 days of your purchase. The benefits of shopping from Beachcom are: as a buyer you can get product details and specification on the portal. As per the reviews, we find that the website is SS secured. The company ensures the security for the online payment. The company ensures buyers can enjoy secured shopping with unique and high-end products. The negative point of Beachmine are: the website is new in the market. We could not find authentic reviews of the customer online. The company does not have a social media link. All the pages of the website are not properly maintained. As far as reviews is concerned, as we all know that online buyers always want to check the feedback of previous buyers before they opt to buy products from any new company. For Beachmind, we found that it is a newly company and it does not have any presence on social media, hence buyer cannot get authentic reviews for this website. So we have gone through other known portal but do not find any relevant comment of previous buyer, hence we cannot make a verdict for the legitimacy of this website. So we recommend you all, it's better to make more research on your own behalf before shopping, and from our point of view we are not recommending you at all to buy anything from this said portal, that is beachmind.com. It seems to be a suspicious website, so stay away from this website.